This is my Fontainebleau Gold King room. So this room is 590 square feet, and even though there are some standard rooms elsewhere on the strip that are larger than this, namely Delano, Palazzo, Venetian, and Wynn, just to name a few, this is still one of the larger rooms on the strip. It has so much to offer, I can't wait to share with you all. So one of the first things that you'll notice immediately as you're entering the room is you have various touch pads. They have a lot of centralized features, including lighting and drapes, and are so convenient. If you're a sucker for bow ties like myself, then you're in luck because this resort is suffused with them. And to the left of the entry foyer is this amazing restroom right here. Look at all the details. This LED frame mirror really brings a lot of life and vibrance to this room here. And to the left-hand side, you have your nice little makeup mirror here. It also has an LED impregnated ring around it. You also get some napkins, some rinse cups, some washcloths, some complimentary soap, and some other little toiletries right here, including some body lotion, a shower cap, and some cotton swabs in this cute little box. And beneath the dual vanity setup here, they provide you an array of towels in various sizes. And they also provide you with a T3 hair dryer. You know how often when you go to Vegas hotel rooms and their hair dryers are usually very outdated. They're like the old late 70s, early 80s Conair ones, and usually they just don't work that well at all. This T3 is an amazing hair dryer. And to the left-hand side here, you have your own little water closet here, and there is a divider door for privacy. The bathroom is very well themed, just like the rest of the resort, with the striking tones of navy, blue, gold, and white. And again, you have more panels here for centralized function. But now we must turn our attention to this large walk-in shower right here. They provide you with complimentary robes, and this is one of them right here, conveniently hung to you right next to the shower. Luxurious! So let's check out this walk-in shower here. I love the aesthetic of this little foot bench right here. It almost kind of resembles a gemstone that's been marbled. I think it looks really trippy, really awesome. And it looks like as far as the shower heads is concerned, you got multiple setups here. If you want a more gentle rinse, you have an overhead shower head right here. And if you want something with a bit more high pressure, this speak bin will speak right to you. Let's see how the water pressure is here. Oh yeah, that's really robust. So yeah, water pressure will not be an issue at all in this room. And they also provide you with these really aesthetically pleasing body products as well that are private label. So leaving the restroom, we continue our way down the foyer here, and you're met with this really large vanity mirror. What's up? What you'll also notice is that on the opposing ends of this vanity mirror, they provide you with little coat racks. I think that's really cute. And now the time has come to check out this really gorgeous, luxurious bed here. So this bed is a custom Serta pillow top mattress, and also has this down alternative to that that is just so comfortable. You also have more breathtaking French-inspired themed artwork on the wall there. And again, touch screens galore. How awesome is it when you can be in a hotel where you can control both the lights and the curtains for the comfort of your own bed? The future is here, yay! And then over here, you have your closet. As you can see, I already stored many of my belongings in here. But there's a few things I want to point out about the closet here. The first is that you get your own complimentary steamer, which is very convenient. The second is that they actually provide laundry, dry cleaning, and pressing on site, so you can make any requests, via here. They also provide you with a pair of complimentary slippers throughout your stay, and yet another robe. The robe is definitely happening. And to the left of the closet, you have an array of snacks as well as charger kits that are available for purchase if you're a masochist for convenience. Those gummy bears do look cute though, not gonna lie. And beneath this little snack tray, we have a designated mini bar here. Looks like we got Johnny Walker, Casamigos, Tito's, Grey Goose, and Moe's among other options here. And then you also have several non-alcoholic options including Fever Tree, Red Bull, and Coke. But the $64,000 question that we're always faced with when planning a Vegas trip is, does your room have a personal refrigerator? And I'm delighted to report, it does indeed. I'm sure many of you have noticed that like personal refrigerators are kind of going the way of the dodo among a lot of Las Vegas strip resorts. And so having a personal refrigerator here is huge for storing your leftovers from last night's dinner, as well as a lot of the convenience items that you could get at ABC or CVS. And directly above your personal refrigerator, you have some bar essentials right here, including a couple of shot glasses, a corkscrew, and some napkins. Look at that posh padded leather ice bucket. Ooh la la. They provide you with this really bright 55-inch LG TV for your entertainment. I love this. You've got a bunch of soft closed drawers right here. To the right of your bed, you have more touchscreen pads right here. You have your own personal phone and a personal notepad. So yeah, connectivity, not an issue whatsoever here at Fontainebleau. You have an oval couch right there with a decorative throw pillow, as well as what looks like a marble granite table right here. You have an additional 2 chairs and a table right over here near the window. And take a look at this thing. So this is a cute little like bow tie kiosk, as I like to call it, where essentially if you want, information on any aspect of the resort, you could just scan the QR code and you can get it right at your fingertips. I think that is so cute and so novel. But yeah, last but not least, let's get a gander at this gorgeous poolside view here at Fontainebleau. It's really happening right now. Can't wait to get down there. And in addition to a great view of the pool, you also have views of Encore, the Sphere, Resorts World. I could even see the Rio in the distance. So yeah, what a fantastic view here. I'm absolutely loving it. And there you have it, my review of Fontainebleau's Gold King room. Again, it's 590 square feet. It offers so many luxurious features, and I can't wait to make myself right at home here. But obviously Fontainebleau has so much more to offer than just their luxurious rooms. I also want to check out their exquisite restaurants, their posh lounges, that epic pool complex, and so much more. So what do you say we get this trip started right here, right now, and own our summer here at Fontainebleau? Let's go time!